Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Global Art Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about one another secret website where you can sell your print-on-demand designs and where you can sell your art. Now, this website is not that secret. You might have heard about it, but I haven't talked about or I haven't touched on my videos on this channel. So I think it's the best time to talk about that website as well and to explore new ways to make more money as a print-on-demand seller. So let's get started with that. Before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. And also a free guide for helping you making money online, the free KDP interior, the free graphics and various free guide. The link over in the description box below, which you can download it and you can use it. Now guys, first time as being a designer, as being an artist myself, I created my own jewelry. I created my own earrings. Now you can see the earrings right now that I'm currently wearing. It's made by me only, completely from scratch. And the dress that I'm wearing currently has also been sewed by me, stitched by me. So I work as an artist as well, designer as well, craftsman as well, and wearing the various different hats. Now, it's not a promo video. I'm not selling you anything to buy these earrings or something like that. I'm just talking about it because I'm really excited. Yesterday, I was making such thing. I was experimenting with my ideas and suddenly I came across making this idea of making the earrings and by the clay and all. So I was really excited. That's why I'm talking about it and I'm not promoting you to buy it. But anyways, guys, let's talk about the main part of the video. Now, the one secret website that I'm going to talk about is the Designed by Humans. Now, many of you have heard about it or maybe not heard about it, but let me talk about it because I think it's also another amazing opportunity as being a print-on-demand seller. So why to leave the money on the table when you have so many different opportunities? Now, let's talk about that. So, Designed by Humans, this is a community of artists, designers, gamers, and YouTubers. This portal is home to some of the greatest pieces of art on the internet. Shirt competitions, which are mostly themed, takes place almost every day. The winning designs are sold at discounted rates and artist commission increases with the sales that happen. What can I print and Designed by Humans? So there are so many different things that you can print: apparel for all ages, accessories like mugs, buttons, hats, and art by itself in prints of various sizes. So some of the highlights of these Designed by Humans are a supportive community with one common goal, that is to empower artists worldwide, good profit margin for artists, best marketplace to find prints. So if you're selling your art already on the Redbubble or already on other website, then why not start the Designed by Humans as well and start selling them as well. So now I'm going to just go over and we're going to talk about more about the Designed by Humans. This was just the basic intro, like what you can expect to sell on it, how to make money on it, how to get payout from it. So I'm going to cover each and everything over here. Okay, the products on which you can place your designs are. So first of all is the men's categories and the women's categories. In the men's, you can see the t-shirts, long sleeve tees, tank tops, sweatshirts and hoodies. And in the women's, you can see the t-shirts, the relaxed scoop neck, racer back tanks, cowl neck sweaters, sweatshirts, hoodies and leggings. Then they have the accessories as the mouse pad, phone cases, backpacks, coffee mugs, stickers, hats. Then the all-overs are, then there are also some of the kids t-shirt as well as a boys t-shirt, boys pullover, hoodies and girls t-shirt. Then you can also sell the art prints and the frame art prints. So these are some products which you can expect to sell onto the Designed by Humans by placing your designs on it. Now let me talk about how to open up a store on that. Now guys, I started recently with the Designed by Humans only, and when I was getting started with that, they ask you to enter your debit card, your credit card details, and they're gonna verify you. They're gonna verify your credit card, your debit card details, and I think they usually take a $1 for that. And it's not a fees they are taking; it's just they're just gonna take a money $1 for just to confirm that, just to confirm your payment details and all. And after that, they're gonna send back that money again to you. So it's just a confirmation. So make sure when you are getting started with opening up a store on the Designed by Humans, and you need to ask your payment details. And when you are entering your payment details into that, they're gonna verify you They're gonna verify you, and then they usually take $1 to verify it, and then they're gonna return that $1 again to your bank account. So just their verification process. So when you're getting started with that, keep this thing in mind, because unlike in the Redbubble, you don't need any such verification, but it's there in the Design by Humans, and it's also there in the Society6. So some of the platform have this kind of verification where you need to verify your payment details. Then only they are allowing you to open up a store on their marketplace. So make sure you do that and read the terms and conditions before doing that, to be on the safer side. Since I'm not a financial expert, or I'm not a expert in this area, I'm just talking based on my own personal experience. So please do take my advice with a grain of salt and do your own research before opening up any shop or before investing any money in the online space. Now you would be thinking, is it free to join onto the Design by Humans? Yes, it's free to open up a shop, but it's just that they take they verify your payment details in the beginning, and for that they take a $1 from your bank, and then they're gonna deposit again into your bank. So it's just a verification process, but apart from that, it's free to open a shop onto the Design by Humans marketplace. Now let's talk about their payout criteria, how you're gonna get payout. Now guys, another thing that needs to be taken into consideration is that to apply as a store owner on Design by Humans, you have to first submit your portfolio. Okay, so you need to submit your portfolio to apply, and which contain at least 10 designs that are suitable for print. Once your application is approved, you will be able to activate your store and start selling your designs. So you need to submit your portfolio that will be containing 10 designs, and then they're gonna review you. So Design by Humans has also teamed up with pop culture brands such as Star Wars and Marvel, so you can now create designs featuring Darth Vader or Iron Man without any copyright issue. So if you are a Marvel and Star Wars fan and you love creating these art or prints from them, then you can probably sell on this platform, because they have teamed up with these Star Wars and Marvel, so you can sell these stuffs without any copyright issues. Okay guys, regarding their payment stuff, you will earn a commission for each sale you make, ranging from $3 for t-shirts to $8 for art prints. Payment for cleared sale is made via PayPal, so you need to connect your PayPal on the first business day of every month. So you'll be get payout of your sales that you have made on the first business day of every month. You can also check your dashboard to check the sales you made for the month so far, as well as what and when your next payment will be. So you can check it on the dashboard, and you're gonna get on the first business days of every month. If your designs are particularly good, your store will likely be featured on the front page as well as on the Design by Humans social media and newsletter. For inspiration on what sells, you can always explore the site and check out designs that are trending or best sellers. You should also do your own promotion, be it through social media or by elsewhere. So you can do your promotions and you can market it. You're gonna get payout by the PayPal, and it seems quite interesting and quite easy to get payout, because when you're getting payout by the PayPal, there is nothing more you need to do it. Just need to connect your PayPal and you're gonna get payout by that. You need to check out what royalties you can expect to make from product that you're selling onto Design by Humans. I'm going to leave the link of the Design by Humans website in description box below for you guys to check it out, their different criterias, their FAQs, and how you can open up a store by yourself. And make sure you do your research, you do your own research before opening up a shop on it. It's just an entertainment video, just a video for an educational purpose only, guys. Don't take it that I'm telling you 100% perfect. Just take it as a grain of salt, and I'm here to help you, but still you do your own research before opening up any shop. So that's all for today's video, guys. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Are you selling onto Design by Humans or not? Are you thinking of selling or not? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.